Picture this, a sleek little powerhouse cradled right in your palm. So light and unassuming it slips into any pocket or bag without a second thought, yet bursting with enough muscle to tackle your wildest creative storms or marathon gaming sessions. It's a gadget that leaves you shaking your head in awe, pondering how such a tiny frame can unleash so much magic. And folks, that's the magic Apple is brewing up next. The iPad mini isn't just due for a refresh. It's on the cusp of full-blown metamorphosis that could rewrite the rules for portable tech. What do you think? Could this be the game changer you've been waiting for? Drop a comment below and let me know your take. Every so often, Apple spots one of its pint-sized stars and catapults it into the stratosphere, reshaping what we expect from an entire class of devices. This time around, the spotlight's on the iPad mini, that trusty sidekick that's long reigned supreme for on-the-go adventures. Whether you're devouring novels under a tree, doodling ideas on a commute, binge-watching your favorite series, or knocking out emails in a coffee shop. But get ready, because it's evolving from a nimble companion into a true force of nature. Fresh whispers from the rumor mill paint a picture of Apple's pocket rocket, inheriting the brain power straight from the iPhone 17 Pro's engine room. The mighty A19 Pro chip. You read that correctly. A top-tier processor crammed into the most diminutive iPad Apple has ever dreamed up. One tweak like that, and the Mini 8 could claim the crown as the undisputed king of compact tablets, blending brains and brawn like never before. The real thrill? This bombshell didn't drop from some flashy keynote. It bubbled up from the shadows of Apple's own fortress. Just a couple months back, in August, a slip-up in their internal code spilled the beans. Buried lines of software code, name-dropping a fresh iPad mini variant humming along on the A19 Pro silicon. If you're tuned into the Apple grapevine, you know their in-house slips are about as rare and reliable as a solar eclipse. When they happen, they're gospel. And sure enough, heavy hitter Mark Gurman from Bloomberg, the oracle of all things Cupertino, chimed in shortly after back it up. Yep, the next iPad mini is in the works, orbiting that cutting-edge A19 Pro core. What kicked off as a hushed speculation exploded into tangible hype, a sleek slate packing the punch of a full-fledged laptop, all without skipping a beat in portability. Now, let's peel back why this chip isn't just an incremental nudge, but a seismic shift. The A19 Pro isn't tinkering around the edges. It's a bold evolutionary jump, forged on TSMC's bleeding-edge 3nm N3P tech that squeezes out superior speed, sips power like a pro, and flexes unprecedented smarts in a form factor this snug. At its core pulses a revamped 16-core neural engine, supercharging AI and machine learning feats to realms we've only glimpsed in bigger rigs. Toss in Apple's ingenious dynamic caching wizardry, which feeds the GPU data with surgical precision right when it's craved, and you get rock-steady performance that laughs off intense loads. Layer on a streamlined image compression setup that sharpens visual workflows, and suddenly you're cruising through buttery smooth gameplay, lightning-quick renders, and jaw-dropping visuals, all sans the heat spikes or battery guzzling that plague lesser devices. Oh, and the GPU? It's been gutted and rebuilt from the ground up, armed with fresh accelerators, beefier caches, and a memory maestro that orchestrates chaos into symphony. The payoff? A staggering threefold surge in graphical grunt over the prior A17 Pro. 3 times the firepower in a single stride. That's the stuff of multi-year sagas compressed into one epic chapter. Picture firing up heavy hitters like Resident Evil Village or Assassin's Creed Mirage on 8.3-inch canvas. Frames gliding like silk. Apple's been teasing console-caliber escapades on mobile for ages. But here's the dawn where the tiniest iPad finally shoulders that ambition without flinching. Fuse it with the wizardry of Metal 3 and pro-grade ray tracing, and you're staring down visuals that could pass for a high-end PC rig. Shadows dancing with eerie realism and lights piercing like spotlights. Yet this powerhouse play extends beyond raw speed. It's woven into the very bones of the design for stamina that endures. The iPad mini's subtle edge? That overlooked thermal playground. Where an iPhone's cram quarters choke on heat, the mini's roomier shell lets the A19 Pro stretch its legs, sustaining peak revs longer and cooler than ever. Ideal for marathon renders in creative suites, endless edits, or epic boss battles that stretch into the night. Apple's playing chess here with chip variants, too. Smart segmentation for every arena. The iPhone 17 Pro claims the Beast Mode setup with its full 6 CPU and 6 GPU cores. The slimmer iPhone 17 Air dials it back by sidelining 1 GPU core. The Mini 8? It'll probably land in that sweet mid-lane config, but leverage its cooling chops for endurance that leaves phones in the dust. In the trenches of real-world battles, slicing 4K footage, sculpting 3D models, or wrangling AI experiments, the Mini could straight up eclipse its iPhone siblings. And speaking of firepower fuel, here's the upgrade that's pure future-proofing gold. Whispers point to a hefty 12 gigabytes of RAM in the iPad Mini 8, vaulting past the current 8 gigabyte ceiling. On paper, it might whisper modest, but in the AI arena Apple's charging toward, it's a roar. Their incoming Apple Intelligence Suite. Think on-the-fly translations, snappy summaries, generative art bursts, and brainy creative aids. Devours memory to fire off without phoning home to the cloud. Doubling down to 12 gigabytes doesn't just smooth today's tricks. Arms the Mini to surf tomorrow's AI tidal wave, keeping that zippy edge as smarts swell over seasons. Shifting gears to the canvas that frames it all, the screen, fans have been chanting this mantra for epochs. Grace the iPad Mini with OLED glory. Mini LED dazzles, sure, but OLED? It plunges into inky voids, blooms with vivid hues, and contrasts like a midnight sky ablaze with stars. The chasm between solid and soul-stirring. At long last, Apple's heeding the call. Supply chain sleuths reveal Samsung's lines are churning out OLED slabs tailored for Mini 8, promising flicks that envelop like a theater, snapshots that leap off the glass with pinpoint punch, and strokes from your pencil that breathe with organic flow. A gentle footnote, though. Expect a single-stack LTPS OLED affair over the Pro's dual-stack LTPO sophistication, which might cap it at a steady 60 Hz rather than the 120 Hz silk of its bigger kin. Chin up. That OLED allure alone could eclipse the shortfall, wrapping your world in deeper immersion. And who knows? With the iPhone 17 Pro now flaunting promotions 120 Hz dance, Apple might slip in a 90 Hz compromise for the Mini, turning swipes, sketches, and animations into a fluid dream without inflating the tag. Beyond the glow-up, this panel's a sly efficiency ninja. OLED's dark mode thrift means darker scenes sip less juice, stretching battery range to those endless scrolls or reads. So amid the silicon storm, the Mini might cling to or even stretch its legendary all-day vigor on a single sip. Lenses get a thoughtful tune-up too, sans seismic shifts. The back's 12 MPI stays put, but the A19 Pro's sharper signal savant sharpens edges and banishes night shadows like a pro. Up front, that 12 MP shooter holds a line with center stage's intuitive framing, keeping you locked in frame no matter how you fidget in calls. Sound? It could steal the show with quad-speaker symphony echoing the iPad Air's lush setup. Deeper bass, bolder volumes, a sonic embrace that turns solo movie nights or track jams into live-wire events. Headphones be damned. Stitch it all. Thunderous chip, luminous screen, ample RAM, orchestral audio, and voila. No mere Mini anymore, but a pro-grade arsenal shrunk to backpack bliss. So, when does this gem hit the stage? The crystal ball's foggy on that front. Insiders hedge bets. Some peg an early 2026 debut synced with the next iPad Air refresh, while others float a 2027 horizon to nail the OLED rollout amid supply snags. It boils down to factory rhythms and Apple's launch ballet. Stagger the hits or drop a polished all-in-one. History whispers the latter. They love burnishing every facet before the curtain rises, especially for a Mini OLED debut that's simmered in fan lore for years. They'll nail it, mark my words. Price tag tango? Apple's eternal intrigue. The reigning Mini kicks off at $499, but lace an OLED splendor, RAM riches, and A19 Pro prowess, and a bump feels inevitable. Scouts at $599 or a bolder $649 entry. Steep for a pocket slate? Perhaps, but weigh the scales. Flagship Fury in featherweight form, the ultimate nomad's toolkit for scholars sketching theses, creators conjuring worlds, or jet-setters ditching the laptop lug. Apple's Mini ethos is always distilled to this. Whisper-thin footprint, thunderous potential, and the 8th iteration embodies it like a legend reborn. Tiny enough to tag along anywhere, yet fierce enough for pro pursuits that once demanded a MacBook's bulk. That A19 Pro hums symphonies of speed, Reserved for Destivure, the OLED gaze rivals the Pro's prestige. The RAM reservoir readies it for Apple's AI Odyssey. Even if you're not queuing day one, this Mini's ripple will steer Apple's compact fleet for eras, echoing in iPhones, iPads, maybe even Macs, harmonizing might mobility and mind meld. That's the spark, not a mere spec shuffle, but a manifesto. Apple's signaling that even their sleekest slivers deserve heavyweight status. No more sidekicks, but co-stars in the compute saga. Fans, we've hungered for this. A trim titan that bends for no one. Envision it anew. You fish out the iPad Mini 8. Its live lines evoking a well-worn journal. Yet it roars like a studio beast. Fire up a 4K edit, layer effects with flair. Export in a flash. It bows gracefully. Pivot to a blockbuster quest. And it rivals your rig at home. Flip to notes. Pencil dances across OLED dreams. Safari summons worlds without a stutter. Pure, unyielding harmony. That's the vow etched in this lineage. Power-wedded poise and prescience. A slate that could eclipse your daily driver. Be it 26 or 27 curtain call, one truth shines. This Mini reimagines a small screen soul. No frills, no filler, just a portable prodigy in disguise. Vintage Apple alchemy. Quiet strokes that quake the ground. The iPad Mini 8, pulsing with A19 Pro Pulse, 12 gigabytes reservoirs, and OLED enchantment, might just etch itself as Apple's most mesmerizing compact ever, a triad of intellect, allure, and wanderlust. So, spill it. Will the OLED glow and A19 Pro roar snag you on launch day, or hold out for that promotion silk at 120 Hz? Whatever your wager, small slates are awakening to a sharper, fiercer dawn. If this peek into tomorrow lit your fuse and you're hooked on Apple's next acts, smash that like, sub up for the ride, share the spark, and ring the bell. Prime seat to wait for the unveil that shrinks the impossible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.